Hey everyone. I was in the washroom today and I looked up at my exhaust fan in the bathroom and it was pretty clogged. Let's get a close-up shot of it. So there you can see that there's dust everywhere. So I have an anemometer and I'm gonna put it up to the fan, turn it on, and I wanna measure the airflow that it has. I'll take the grill down, we'll clean it up, and then I'll take another measurement and see if that made a difference. So here's the meter I'm going to use. I'm going to put it up against the grill of the fan. I'll turn it on, we'll take a measurement. It's in miles per hour right now, so we'll take a measurement, see how much air it's pushing or sucking, and then we'll go from there. So right now, it's showing me anywhere from 2.2 to 2.0 miles per hour. Let's take this down, clean it up, and see if we can make this better. So most of these, just to take them down, just gotta get your fingers or something underneath there, grab it, pull it down. So it's got these spring clamps that go right into the housing, and that's what holds it up. So there's two of those, one on this side, one on the other side. And there you have it. Pretty dirty. And I can see the fan housing up there is also pretty dirty, so I'm going to give it a quick vacuum before. So I'm going to wash this in the bathroom sink here. My wife's not home, so I can do it. As long as I clean up, she won't know that I ever did it. Because I think if she found out, I don't think she'd be too happy. So let's get started. So now that we got the grill all cleaned up, no dust on it, you can see right through it, nice and clean. I just wanted to point to something here. That right there is where these two pinch in and then you get inserted in that, and that's what holds the fan up. So now that the grill is all cleaned and installed, I'm gonna put the meter on there and we're gonna test it again. So 3.1 is what we're sitting at. Much better than was before. So after cleaning that grill, we got an increase of about 1 mile an hour. That is, I think, pretty significant for a bathroom exhaust fan. You want to clean these regularly just so the fan doesn't work harder to remove the moisture or any of the unwanted air in the bathroom. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe this video, and I'll see you on the next one.